Hi, my name is Dr. Jeff Vineker, and I'm the founder of GenerationGenius.com, as well as the host of all of our science videos. I've been super passionate about science my whole life, and now I want to share that passion with kids all around the country. And that's why I started Generation Genius.
What's not to love about Dr. Jeff? He's the modern day Bill Nye the Science Guy. I know I loved learning with Bill Nye as a kid, and my kids have loved learning with Dr. Jeff. He brings science and math to life for the kids.
Generation Genius inspires kids. It makes them excited, interested, curious, and it comes with DIY activities so they can get hands-on with science.
The features that I love most about GenerationGenius.com are the discussion questions, which they offer questions for before and after the video, the lesson plans because it saves me time, and the assessments because they give you different ways that you can assess your students through exit tickets. You can also do games like Kahoot, which the students always love.
Generation Genius saves teachers time because it has ready-to-go lesson plans, quizzes, discussion questions, reading material, and more.
Sometimes the kids get super sick of my voice, and I get tired of teaching, so this helps fill in the gaps when I'm having that rough day.
Discussion questions, vocabulary, reading materials, practice problems.
The handouts are ready to go. They're easy to use.
Everything that you need to teach, we have it. Try GenerationGenius.com today.